Hello everyone, I'm Dilasha Kharil and welcome to Feel and Believe Tarot. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe the channel and join the family. Also hit the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. I also offer personal readings, so if you'd like to contact me for personal readings, you can check the description box below for my mail ID, and also you can contact me on my Instagram page. The link to my Instagram page is also in the description box. Now, this is a general reading, so the messages may or may not resonate with you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. So, today's pick a card reading is about what is the year 2022 going to bring for you. Now, we have three piles in front of you, pile 1, pile 2 and pile 3. For those of you who don't know how to select a pile, you can choose the pile by looking at the crystals or with the number pile 1, pile 2 and pile 3, or through timestamps as well if you feel more attracted to numbers. Now meditate on each pile and choose the pile with your intuition as well. Pause the video if you'd like to. Take your time, pick a pile, and once you are done with the selection, you can check the description box and forward the video to your respective timestamps. Welcome pile 1 for those of you who choose this crystal. Now let's see what is the year 2022 going to bring for you and what angels have in store for you, pile 1. So we will be looking into the messages from the romance angels, from the angels and ancestors oracle, from the life purpose and from the monology oracle later. First, let's start with the tarot deck. So pile 1 from the tarot deck, we have for you the King of Pentacles. Wow. Okay. Then we have the Three of Wands. Okay. Then we have the Three of Swords. Okay. We have the Seven of Swords. Then we have the Tower card. Okay. We have the World card. Okay. We have the Five of Wands. And we have the Knight of Wands. Okay. So, pile 1, I feel that in the year 2022, you people are going to be financially very sound. Yes, with the King of Pentacles. Yes, I feel that you people are going to be very sound financially. And I also feel a lot of abundance is coming into your life. Yes. Basically, I feel that you will have all the comfort and everything that you need in your life. Yes. And you are going to have a lot of yes, material comfort. Yes. And I also feel that you people are going to get the fruits of your hard work. Yes, your hard work is definitely going to pay off, pile 1. But also I feel that there will be a lot of competition at your workplace. Yes, I also feel that there will be a lot of ego and people who are working with you, could be your colleagues. Yes, they will be sort of planning something against you. Yes, but I see that you people are definitely achieving that success and that higher position at work. Yes. And also I feel that pile 1, that your energy will be very high in the year 2022. Yes, you'll be you will have all that high energy and that very ambitious. Yes, people will be very passionate about your work, your career, whatever that you choose to do. Yes. And also, I feel that pile one, that you people will be going in a lot of trips and a lot of long travels as well. Yes. Could be just for fun, for some vacations, but it will be most likely related to your work as well for a lot of you. Yes. And also, pile one, with the three of swords and with the seven of swords, I feel that for those of you who are in an unhealthy relationship, uh, pile one, you could be facing, some heartbreaks. Like, you could be realizing the true intentions of your partner. Yes. I feel that someone is going to betray you, or you are finally going to realize and let go of that relationship that you could be, you could have been holding on for so long. Yes. And I also feel that you could be spending a lot of time just by yourself, in that grief about that loss. Yes. Basically, I feel that you'll be having, a lot of that emotional pain. Yes, towards the beginning of the year. Yes. uh, I feel that pile one, you know that person could be an air sign, that could be a Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Yes. Or you could be Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. uh, but yes, for those of you who are single, I feel that yes, a new person is going to come into your life. Yes. And yes, they are going to fill your life with a lot of happiness as well. Yes. And I feel that for those of you who are single, that new person who is going to come into your life, they could be, an earth sign, that is the Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn, or you could be a Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, pile one. Also, uh, pile one, I feel that uh, you should be very careful about your surroundings, about whom you trust. Yes, in the upcoming year. Yes, that is in the year 2022. Yes, you people need to be very careful whom you trust, because I feel that in your surrounding there could be someone who will be gossiping a lot about you, who could be plotting something that is you know not for your highest good, something against you. Yes. And also I feel that uh, someone could walk away from you, or you could leave that relationship that was unhealthy for you and walking away from them. Yes. But as you move on, pile one, yes, I definitely see a lot of growth and transformation, and a very positive transformation ahead for you. Yes. Because with this butterflies in the star card, yes, I definitely see a very positive and beautiful transformation that is ahead for you, and you people are going to grow a lot. Yes. And you'll be learning a lot from the experiences that that you face, and it is going to help you grow as a person as well. Yes. Because I feel that there will be a lot of personal growth for you. Yes, but you people are definitely going to come out a lot stronger than you were before. Yes. And also, yes, yes, there are definitely a lot of changes. And for some of you, I also feel that, you could be, uh, relocating, or I also feel that, some of you could be actually uh, going abroad as well. Yes, uh, could be for studies, or could be because of your work as well. Yes, could be for some further trainings, or because of work you could be going to another country or another city as well. Yes, but yes, whatever is that, that makes you to move out of the place that you are right now, currently, that you are in the place, you know that, yes, that thing is going to bring a lot of success and a lot of happiness in your life. I also feel that, this could be, if this is not about, going abroad or going to another city, this could also be about a change of home as well, pile one. Yes, but definitely, a change of place is going to make you a lot more happier and also a lot more successful as well. And that is also going to open up a lot of new, opportunities in your life. Yes, and I see that you people are going to be very joyful. Yes, and filled with a lot of enthusiasm and a lot of energy, and very passionate as well. Yes, and also, for those of you who are single, I feel that, that new person who is going to come into your life, uh, they could be, yes, they could be much older than you, but yes, they are financially very sound, and they are someone who have a lot of, yes, a lot of knowledge. I also feel that, they will be someone who will uh, be about, learning new things. They could be into, like, books, and basically they could be, they could love to read books. And also I feel that, you people as well, pile one, you people could be also spending a lot of your time in reading books as well. Yes, but yes, there is, definitely something, that is going to happen, which, will just make you feel like, uh, that your life is just, shattered, and nothing good is, happening in your life. Yes, at a certain point you feel like that, pile one. But just know that, that is just a phase in your life, and it is there to, help you grow, and to, you know make you move towards a new phase in your life. Yes, because I see that, there is going to be an end of a cycle, and, beginning of a new cycle in your life in the year 2022. Yes, and also I feel that, from the, yes, towards the mid of 2022, yes, you will be getting a lot of opportunities, and a lot of, abundance coming into your life as well. Yes, now let's see, what messages do we have for you from the romance angels, Palwan. So from the romance angels we have for you chemistry. Okay, then we have romantic feelings. Okay, we have calling in your soulmate. We have honeymoon. Okay, and we have deception. Okay, So yes, pile one with the Three of Swords, with the Seven of Swords, and with this deception card, I feel that those of you who are in an unhealthy relationship, in a toxic relationship, yes, you know, you people will get to know, yes, the true intentions of your partner. Yes, and some of you could be also, you might have to go through a heartbreak. Yes, because you'll be realizing that the love that you have for your partner, they could not be reciprocating it to you. Yes, and you know they were not into you as much as you people were into them. Yes, and yes, also, yes, because see what this card is telling you, Palwan, that someone is wearing a false self marks in this relationship. So yes, definitely you people are going to find out their true intentions for you. Yes, but for others of you, yes, you people will be calling in your soulmate, and angels, they are guiding you that your prayers, your affirmations, and your visualizations, that is going to help you bring together. So yes, angels, they are asking you that you need to keep visualizing, you need to keep praying about that partner, that new love, the kind of partner that you want to have in your life, because your affirmations, your visualizations, and your prayers, that is going to help you people come together. Yes, and also, yes, you people are going to have a lot of chemistry, and both of you are going to have a lot of romantic feelings towards each other. Yes, and I also feel that that person will be very much attracted towards your physical appearance, towards your beauty. Yes, uh, but I also feel that there could be an age gap between the two of you. I feel that the male energy could be a little older than you, but yes, they will be very charming person, Palwan. And yes, you could go on some trip together, or some of you, for those of you who are single, you could meet them uh, when you know when you'll be going on some trip, or yes, during some vacations, during some holidays, or some of you could be actually going for a honeymoon together. Yes, but yes, just know that that new person, yes, they are in your life because angels wants you to come together. Because if you can see, pile one, we have an angel wing, person who is just helping them go through. Yes, so I feel that angels, they are going to bless this relationship. Yes, and that new person who is going to come into your life, yes, they will be all about you. Yes, yes, they will be very loving and very romantic. Yes, also I feel that they will be very caring as well. They will make sure that they will give you everything that you need from a partner. Yes, now let's see what messages do we have for you from the angels and ancestors oracle, Palwan. So we have for you water guardian. Okay, connect with your emotions. Okay, then we have animal guardian, trust your instincts. Okay, and we have trader, exchange energy to create abundance. Okay, so yes, I feel that in the year 2022, a lot of abundance is definitely coming into your life, pile one. uh, with the water guardian, yes, angels, they are guiding you that you will feel, a lot of emotions than usual. Yes, you are going to feel a lot of emotions. And I also feel that some of you, you could be very much connected with your emotions, and you people are very intuitive as well, pile one. Yes. And I also feel that you people are very, very beautiful person inside and out, pile one. Yes. And I also feel that there is something very, calm and very positive about you, pile one. Yes, that is what I feel for you. And also I feel that in the year 2022, pile one, you'll be getting a lot of messages from the angels. Could be in your dreams, or could be when you are just by yourself as well. But I feel that you just need to listen to your inner guidance. Yes, because you'll be feeling a lot of emotions than usual. And also I feel that uh, in the year 2022, yes, you will be very loving towards animals as well. And also uh, you know animals, they could be like a part of your work, or part of your life, or you could be, yes, you could have a pet as well. Yes, could be a dog. Yes. But yes, working with animals, that is also going to help you a lot. And that is also going to teach you something about your own self as well. Yes, that is what I feel for you. And with the eagle as well, I feel that you need to change your perspective as well. Yes, I see a lot of new opportunities coming in your way. Yes. And I feel that in the year 2022, pile one, you'll be very, very content with your life. Yes. And I also feel that uh, you could be a very creative person as well. Yes. And I also feel that angels, they are asking you that you need to be very honest. And yes, whenever you communicate with other people, yes, you need to be very honest about yourself. And also uh, with this card, I feel that you need to be very open. Yes, to receive the blessings and guidance that angels, they are going to unfold in your life, pile one. Yes. But yes, you are definitely going to have a lot of abundance coming your way. Now let's see what messages do we have for you from the life purpose oracle, and what is in store in the year 2022 in your career, at your work. So we have for you family. Okay. Then we have flowers. Okay. Then we have energy healing. Okay. Then we have school. We have writing. Okay. We have healer. And we have study. Okay. So pile one, I feel that for some of you, yes, in the year 2022, you'll be focusing a lot in your family. Yes, a lot of time towards your family, and loving your friends and family could be central to your life. Yes. And also I feel that you people could be spending a lot of time nearby the waters, or in parks as well. Yes. Also we have the flowers card as well. So yes, angels, they are guiding you that working with flowers opens your heart and bring blessings to others through your life purpose. So yes, some of you could be working with flowers. And we have the energy healing card as well, and we have the healer card as well. And also we have the water guardian. So yes, I feel that you people will be very much connected uh, to your emotions. Yes. And you'll be feeling a lot of emotions. And yes, we have the energy healing card. So your natural energy healing abilities are an important part of your life. Yes, some of you could be an energy healer as well, or working in the fields of healing someone. Yes, other people. Some of you could be a doctor as well. Yes, you have the spiritual gift of healing and a desire to share it with others. Yes, some of you could have I also feel that some of you could be working with some crystals, or you could be some counselors, some therapist as well. Pile 1. And also we have the school, we have the writing, and we have the study cards. So yes, some of you could be uh, learning a new course. Yes. Or you could be a teacher as well. Yes, because we have the school card and we have the study. And I also feel that yes, you people will be learning something new. You people will be all about books. And basically I feel that in the year 2022, pile 1, you'll have that hunger for knowledge. Yes, you'll be studying a lot. You will be uh, also yes, through reading and through research and learning new things, that is also going to help you gain confidence and clarity about your career as well. And also some of you could be into writing as well, pile 1. As you know write, you people are going to heal, inspire, and teach and entertain other people as well. And yes, as you can see that there is an angel behind this person. So yes, if you are into writing, then yes, please write, because angels, they are yes guiding you, and they will be supporting you in your career. Yes. Now let's see what guidance do we have for you, pile 1. So from the Monology Oracle, we have for you a fiery climax approaches. Okay. Then we have prosperity lies ahead. Wow. And we have don't let your past hold you back. Okay. So yes, pile 1, I feel that you people need to let go of past beliefs, or your past thinking. Anything that was unhealthy for you, could be a relationship, or could be your unhealthy eating habits as well. Anything that was not good for you. Yes. And also I feel that changes is definitely in the year 2022 for you. Yes. And that is what I feel from the tarot deck as well for you, very strongly, that there are going to be a lot of changes in your life. But yes, positive changes that is for your own highest good, pile 1. But yes, you need to be very courageous to make those changes in your life to help you grow. Yes. And also, I'm getting the message that you need to change the way how you used to, do certain things. Yes. And also, I'm getting a lot of, that you need to be very creative as well. Yes. And also, I feel that, you people need to be very kind and very nice to other people as well. And yes, you need to learn to have more fun as well. And yes, with the full moon in Aries, I also feel that, you people will be uh, filled with a lot of high energy. Yes. And also, you could, feel very competitive at your workplace as well. Yes. But yes, we have the prosperity lies ahead. So yes, financially you people will be very sound, pile one, in the year 2022. And also you'll be having a lot of things, a lot of luxurious things as well. Yes. And I also feel that, you'll be taking more care about your appearances as well. Yes. And I also feel that with this card, yes, there are chances of new relationship. Yes. uh, but one thing, pile one, I also feel that, some of you could, you have the habit of, doubting your own self. So I feel that, you need to learn to value yourself. Yes. Because yes, prosperity is what is ahead for you, pile one. So yes, very beautiful energy is what I feel for you in this reading, pile one. So yes, that was all for you, pile one. I hope that the messages resonates with you, and I hope you like my reading. So if you like my reading, then please do like this video and also share this video. And if the messages resonates with you, then please do let me know in the comment section. I would love to read your comments. So yes, that was all for you. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel, because it helps our energies to get connected, and I can give you more messages and guidance that you need to hear from the angels. So yes, that was all for you. I hope you all have a good day, and I hope you all have a very great year ahead. May angels always bless you all. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Welcome, pile 2. For those of you who choose this crystal, now let's see what is in store for you in the year 2022. So first, let's start with the tarot deck. So from the tarot deck, pile 2, we have for you the Hermit. Okay. Then we have the Six of Swords. Okay. We have the Eight of Pentacles. We have the Five of Pentacles. Okay. We have the Death card. Okay. Death, rebirth. Yes, that is the same. And we have the Ace of Cups. Okay. We have the Empress. Wow. We have the Hierophant. And we have the Ten of Cups. Okay. Very beautiful energy, pile 2. Yes. Pile 2, I feel that, in the year 2022, yes, there will be a lot of new opportunities and a lot of new beginnings in most areas of your life. Yes, could be in your love life, in your relationship, in your work, in your career. Yes, I also feel that, some of you could get married as well, and also some of you could be pregnant, or or also I see a childbirth as well in the year 2022 for some of you. Yes, a very, very positive energy, pile 2. Yes, I feel that you people will be very, very happy with your life. Yes, in the year 2022. Yes, but also, pile two, I feel that, you know, in the beginning of the year, you could be spending a lot of your time just by yourself, you know. Yes, because I see this, as a time that you'll be spending upon yourself for your own growth as well. Yes. Also, I feel that, recently you could have, learned something. Yes, you could have experienced something because of that as well, you could be just, yes, spending time all by yourself. And, you are, I feel that, you people are in the search of something. Yes, you people are focusing a lot of your, you know, energy towards your inner self. Yes. And I also feel that, you people are going to be very wise in the year 2022. Yes, very mature, very wise, you know, and also, I feel that you people are going to have, a lot of knowledge. Yes, that, yes, and a lot of teachings, a lot of experiences that you will be going to share with other people as well. I also feel that this in terms of spiritual, knowledge as well. Yes, and also, uh, I feel that, some of you could be, yes, moving away from something. Yes, um, now this could be, for some of you who are into an unhealthy relationship, like you could be leaving behind your past and moving towards a better future as well. Yes, but also, I feel that some of you could be, leaving behind your old beliefs, your old thinking. And also, I feel that this could be about, making some career choices as well. Yes, leaving behind a job that you were unhappy with, and, choosing your own career path. Yes, and making a career in the field, that you are very passionate about. Yes, in the field that you have, that talent, and yes, you have that skills and knowledge about something. And I also feel that, you people could be starting something creative, something of your own as well, and you people are putting all of your time and energy and effort into that work. Yes, to make that career grow as well. Yes, and I also see that, you people will be working day and night. You people will be learning a lot of things. Yes, and also I feel that, some of you could be changing places as well. Yes, you could be, moving towards a new city or a new country as well, because of some job opportunities, or, something related to your career as well. Yes, but yes, I feel that that is definitely going to bring you a lot of success. Pile 2. Yes, and, with the key and the lock, I feel that, yes, in the beginning of the 2022, yes, you could be, struggling with finances as well. But that is all because, I feel that you are not able to grab that opportunity. Yes, But later, as you move further in the year 2022, pile 2, I feel that that phase is going to end in your life. And yes, money won't be an issue in your life anymore. Yes, because I see that that phase is definitely going to end in your life, and you will be moving towards a new phase, towards a new cycle in your life. And yes, a lot of new beginnings and a lot of new opportunities is going to come into your life. I also feel that for some of you, partnership opportunities are also going to come into your life, or you know working in a partnership, working with other people. Yes, that is working in a team, that is going to bring you a lot of success as well. Yes, and I also feel that some female energy, yes, you know that will be of a very uh, yes, they will be very significant in your career as well. Yes, but yes, I feel that there is going to be a very positive growth in your career, pile 2. Yes, and you people will be very sound and very satisfied with your life. Yes, as you move further in the year 2022. And yes, I feel that you people will be having a lot of abundance, a lot of success. Yes, and also you people will be, taking care of yourself as well. Yes, and I also feel that, for some of you, you could be, you know, buying a new home, or, you could be moving into a new, yes, a new home as well. Yes, with your partner. I also feel that some of you could, yes, actually get, married and move towards a new place with your partner, because I feel that, your partner could be from, you know, you both could not be from the same place as well. Yes, I see that there is some geographical distance between the two of you. So, yes, you could be, moving towards a new place after you get married as well. Yes, and also I feel that pile 2, you know uh, you some of you for some of you, it could be like, you people could be learning a new course, learning something new. Yes, and that is going to make you very happy about your life. Yes, but for others of you, for those of you who are single, I feel that someone new is, yes, definitely going to come into your life. And that person, I feel that they will be very, very learned person, a very wise person, a very mature person as well. you know they will be an expert of something. Yes, and I feel that their smile, their laugh is very noticeable. Yes, they will be a very charming person as well, and they likes to take care of themselves. Yes, they are very much into fitness and all. Yes, and also I feel that you people will be focusing a lot in your health and about your appearance as well, pile 2. Yes, but yes, you people are going to have a very beautiful family life as well, pile 2. For those of you who are already in a relationship, yes, you people are going to get married, and you could be moving into a new place with your partner. And you people are going to have a very beautiful life together. Yes, a very you people are going to be very happy, very joyful. Yes. And also I feel that pile 2, for some of you, yes, this could be for like very few of you, like after your marriage as well, I see a lot of growth in your career, pile 2. Some of you could be actually working about the thing that you are very passionate about. You could be starting something of your own. Yes. But yes, a year of very beautiful growth and positive growth. Yes, you'll be having a lot of success, pile 2. Now let's see what messages do we have for you from the romance angels, and how is your love life going to be in the year 2022. So we have for you, pile 2, love yourself first. Okay. Then we have express your love. Okay. We have new love. Okay. So yes, that is what I felt for you, pile 2, from the tarot deck as well, that yes, new love is going to come into your life and worth waiting for. Okay. And we have religious factors. Okay. So yes, pile 2, angels, they are asking you that you need to love yourself first, and your self-respect makes you romantically more attractive. And also we have express your love, so go ahead and make the romantic gesture. uh, pile 2, I feel that your partner will be they will be very much attracted towards your beauty. As you can see, this person, how he is looking towards her. So yes, I feel that they will be very much attracted towards your beauty. But if some of you are really worried about as why your person is not expressing their love towards you, then angels, they are guiding you that you need to love yourself first. You need to value yourself, and yes, that person is also going to express their love for you as well. Yes. And also we have the new love. So yes, for those of you who are single, yes, angels, they want you to know that a new person is going to come into your life, and that relationship is going to be very beautiful, and yes, and will be blessed by angels. Yes. And also angels, they are asking you that you do not need to worry, because yes, they are going to come into your life when the timing is right for you. Yes. And everything is going to happen in the divine timing for you. So do not worry, and have that trust in the angels. And also for those of you who are really worried about their marriage, and also yes, angels, they want you to know that that is also going to happen for you in the divine timing. So yes, if you are waiting for your marriage, or if you are waiting for someone new to come into your life, then yes, it is worth waiting for. Yes, because you people are going to be very, very happy, and yes, very joyful. Yes. And also we have the religious factors. So for some of you, angels, they want you to know that your love life could be influenced by your religious upbringing and spiritual path. So yes, I feel that some of you could be yes, could be from different religions as well. Or I also feel that, with this card, that could be you or your partner, or you both could be, very much drawn towards spirituality, and you people will be very much focused on, meditations and spiritual practices as well. And you people are going to focus a lot of your time, you know in the year 2022 in, spiritual practices. Yes. Now, let's see what messages do we have for you from the Angels and Ancestors Oracle. So, from the Angels and Ancestors Oracle pile 2, we have for you Arrow. Okay, surround yourself with protective energy. Okay, then we have Eagle, see from a higher perspective. Okay, then we have Magic Guardian. Okay, unlock the magic within. Okay, so yes, pile 2, angels, they are asking you that you need to surround yourself with people who are, genuinely good for you. Yes, and you need to protect yourself, and you need to protect your energies as well, you know and you need to be very careful about your surroundings. And also, you need to trust your intuition as well about whom you should trust as well. Because, I feel that with this card, that there could be some people around you who could, just lower your vibrations and could lower your energies as well, pile 2. So yes, you need to be very careful about whom you trust and whom you spend your time with. Yes, because that is going to affect a lot, in your emotional health as well. Yes. And also, we have the Eagle card. So yes, angels, they are asking you that, you need to look from, you need to look at things from different perspective as well. And, you need to let go of some old beliefs in you as well. And I also see that, with this Eagle card, that I see a lot of growth and a lot of success for you people. Yes. And, angels, they want you to know that you people definitely have that ability to, take things, you know, to a higher level. Yes. And also, you people are very powerful and you people are very strong. Yes. And also, there will be a lot of new opportunities coming up your way. Yes. While too, I also feel that, you people are very intuitive, and you have that, that ability to make things turn into a reality. Yes, you have that magic within you, and all you need to do is, you need to unlock that magic within you. So I feel that, you need to keep working towards your goal, and you need to realize that you have got everything that is needed for you to, bring success in your life. And I also feel that you people are very intuitive as well, and you people have some powers. I feel that you need to listen to your inner guidance. Yes, because that is going to, guide you towards the path of success. Yes. I also feel that, some of you could be working, yes, working some spiritual path, working in some, energy healing and could be working as a tarot reader as well. Yes, that is also possible. But yes, your intuition power is very, very high. Yes, that is what I feel. I also feel that, pile 2, that you need to keep thinking positive thoughts, and you need to keep visualizing the things that you want in your life, because you have got that power. Yes, to make, to manifest things. Yes, that is what I strongly feel for you, pile 2. Yes, now let's see what messages do we have for you from the Life Purpose Oracle, and how is your career going to be like in the year 2022. Okay, we have a lot of cards. Now let's see. We have Strength. Okay, so everything you have experienced in your life has made you strong and courageous. Okay, with the Hermit card and with the Strength card, yes, I feel that you have experienced a lot in your life, and that has really made you strong. That is what angels are guiding you as well. Yes, so I feel that you need to use your experiences, and need to, yes, use your experiences to achieve, yes, to achieve the success in your life. Yes, that is also, your experiences are also going to help you a lot. Maybe I also feel that you could be sharing your experiences with other people as well. Yes, but yes, you people are very strong, and you people are very courageous as well. Yes, and we have teaching as well. Okay, you inspire young people to learn. So yes, some of you could be working as a teacher, or you could be sharing your knowledge with other people. Yes, and we have Builder. Your innate ability to build and create brings you a deep sense of accomplishment. So yes, some of you could be working as a builder, as an architect as well. Yes, in some construction business. And then we have books. You connect to your life purpose through your involvement with books. Okay, so yes, you could be learning new things as well. You could be learning new books. Yes, you could be spending a lot of time reading. And also, yes, we have the teaching and the books. So yes, you could be a teacher. Yes, and we have the oracle cards. Okay, and we have sensitivity, and we have the animals. Okay, so yes, with this magic guardian and the oracle cards, so yes, I really feel that some of you could be a tarot reader as well, or you have that yes, you have that power within you, that you could also start reading cards as well for other people. Yes, and then we have sensitivity. So yes, you people are becoming more sensitive, and you need to make changes accordingly. So yes, with the Hermit card as well, as you people will be spending a lot of your time just by yourself, reading. Also, I feel that some of you could be reading some spiritual books, some self-help books as well. Yes, so you people are definitely going to connect with your emotions a lot. You people will be feeling emotions a lot as well. And we have the animals card as well. So yes, you understand animals and communicate with them intuitively. So trust your inner guidance, as the animals are part of your life's work. So yes, some of you could be working with animals as well in the year 2022. Okay, now let's see what guidance do we have for you from the Monology Oracle? So pile 2, we have for you meditate and contemplate. Okay. Then we have communication is key. Okay. We have luck is on your side. Wow. And we have you are very close to achieving your goal. Wow. So yes, pile 2, I feel that you people, yes, could be doing a lot of meditation, a lot of spiritual work, with the religious card as well. I felt that you people will be into a lot of spiritual practices as well, and we have the meditate and contemplate card as well. So yes, I feel that you people will be focusing a lot of your time to I feel that you will spend a lot of time understanding your own self as well. Yes, you will be very much focused in your inner self in the year 2022. Yes, and also we have the communication is key. So yes, angels, they are asking you that you people need to go out and have fun, and you need to express your thought, and you need to speak your mind as well, pile 2. Yes, yes. And then we have luck is on your side. So yes, angels, they want you to know that whatever you choose to do in the year 2022, just know that luck is on your side, and you will be you know divinely supported, and angels, they will always support you and guide you in your path towards the success. So yes, you need to keep working towards the thing that makes you happy, towards your growth. Yes, and then we have you are very close to achieving your goal. So yes, you people are very close to achieving your goals, and in the year 2022, yes, you people are going to achieve that success, pile 2. Wow. So yes, that was all for you, pile 2. I hope that the messages resonated with you. I hope that the messages resonates with you, and I hope you like my reading. So if you like my reading, then please do like this video and also share this video. And if the messages resonated with you, if you like my reading, then please do let me know in the comment section as well. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe, because it helps our energies to get connected, and I can give you more messages and guidance that you need to hear from the angels. So yes, that was all for you, pile 2. I hope you all have a good day. May angels always bless you all. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Welcome, pile 3. For those of you who choose this crystal, now let's see what is in the year 2022 for you, what angels have in store for you in the year 2022. So we will look into the messages from the Monology Oracle, the Life Purpose Oracle, the Angels and Ancestors Oracle, and the Romance Angels later. First, let's start with the tarot deck. So from the tarot deck, pile 3, we have for you the Page of Cups. Okay. Then we have the Two of Pentacles. Okay. We have the Queen of Wands. Okay. We have the Queen of Cups. Okay. Then we have the Four of Swords. Okay. We have the Page of Swords. We have the Knight of Swords. We have the Knight of Pentacles. And we have the Ten of Pentacles. Okay. So, pile 3, I feel that, you know, in the year 2022, like at the beginning of 2022, you could be, really confused about, yes, between two things, like could be in your love, could be in, you know, career as well. Yes, uh, because, I feel that you'll be having, some choices to make from, yes, in your love life as well and in your career as well. Yes, and in your career, I feel that, you will be having a lot of options, pile 3. Yes, and also, pile 3, I feel that, in the year 2022, for those of you who are single, I feel that yes, someone new is going to come into your life, and that person will be very expressive of their emotions. Yes, they will be very emotional, and they will be someone, uh, who is, you know very loving and very caring, and someone who will always, always be there for you. Yes, and I also feel that, pile 3, in the year 2022, you people will be a lot more joyful and a lot happier. uh, yes, and I also feel that pile 3, that in the year 2022, you people could be, engaging yourself in some, in some volunteer works, and something that will, more than, financial, uh, yes, financial gain. You will be working towards the thing that will give you a lot of happiness. Yes, a lot of emotional satisfaction. That is what I feel for some of you. Yes, and also, I feel that, as you people will have a lot of options and a lot of choices to make from, uh, yes, you people will be really confused in the beginning of the year 2022. But yes, as you move forward, pile 3, I feel that, you will be able to create a balance between things in your life. Yes, I also feel that, you will be able to balance your work life and your home life as well. And I also feel that, uh, you will be, uh, you will be having like these two kind of, personalities within you. I feel that, you people will be working, yes, working very passionately, like putting all of your energies, putting all of your, yes, time and effort into something. And also at the same time, you will be very spiritual, and you people will be very much about, uh, yes, you'll be very focused on your inner self as well. And I also feel that, pile 3, that the work that you choose to do, that is going to make you very very happy. Yes, and I feel that you have some kind of magic within you. Yes, and you'll finally be, able to realize your true potential, yes, your true capacity, and you'll, you will be very confident, and yes, you will be, you will feel very much energetic in the year 2022. Yes, but yes, you will be very connected to your emotions, and you will be also, be into a lot of spiritual things. Like, I feel that, you will spend a lot of time meditating, focusing on your emotional health. Yes, working with energies, and yes, you'll be focusing on, balancing your chakras. Yes, and I also feel that, you'll be spending a lot of time with your own self as well. And at times, I feel that you will be, even if you are very much, extrovert, but then you will be very introvert. Yes, and suddenly you will be like, you want to spend time all by your own self in your own comfort zone. Yes, and also for some of you, I also feel that, for those of you who are single, I also feel that, you people are really building, a kind of wall around you. Yes, and you people are very protective of whom you know allow into your life. Yes, you people are protecting your heart. That is what I feel for some of you. But yes, I feel that, uh, no matter how much you try to not let in that person come into your life, but yes, that new love, that new person is coming into your life, pile 3, and they are going to make you, feel alive, and they are going to make your life more happy and more joyful. Yes, and also I feel that, pile 3, for some of you, uh, I feel that you could be, yes, you could be uh, pregnant as well. Yes, for those of you who are already married or in a relationship, yes, that is also very possible. And also, uh, I also feel that, for those of you who are single, uh, like if you are a female watching this video, then your male, yes, partner, they could be like, very different from, what you expect in a partner. Yes, I feel that, you could have lifestyle differences. Yes, and I feel that, you will be all about, emotions and all, and that person will be very much, is all about their career. They are very much, logical, and more than thinking with their heart, they likes to think with their mind as well. Yes, and they are all about, building, yes, that finances. They are very much, yes, learned person as well, and they are really focused in their career is what I see. Yes, but yes, that person is very, trustworthy, and they are very loyal people as well. Yes, and I also feel that, they are going to commit towards you, and they are going to offer you their true love as well. And I also feel that, yes, you people are going to have a very Yes, beautiful family as well with them, and you people are going to have a lot of, you know, financial abundance and a lot of, yes, you people will have a very beautiful family as well, pile 3. And I also feel, a sense of very ground energy, a very stable energy. Yes, with them you will feel very, stable, and you'll feel very safe as well with that person. Yes, and also, if there is an age gap between the two of you, but still that person will be, very much charming, and they will be someone like, that doesn't look like their age as well. They have that youthful energy in their looks, and yes, and basically, there will be a lot of, I feel that a lot of understanding and respect in your relationship. Yes, that is what I feel for you, pile 3. And also, uh, pile 3, I feel that, in the year 2022, uh, you people, you know, will be all about your work as well. Yes, you will be very passionate about, following your dreams, and you want to achieve that success. You'll be, working hard on your goals. Yes, and I also feel that, you are, yes, going to achieve that success as well, and people are going to be very successful. I also feel that, pile 3, that in the year 2022, you'll be having a lot of new ideas as well. Yes, and also I feel that, you'll be learning something new as well. You will be all about, learning, and yes, all about, you'll be full of ideas, and you'll be working and following your dreams. Yes, but yes, whatever you choose to do, you'll be very happy with it, pile 3. Yes, and that is going to, bring a lot of success as well. Success, in terms of like emotional happiness, and as well as financial success as well, pile 3. Now let's see what messages do we have for you from the romance angels, and how is your love life going to be in the year 2022. So we have for you, pile 3, getting to know each other. Okay, and we have heart to heart conversation. Then we have trust. Okay, then we have unrequited love. Okay, then we have free yourself. We have passion. Okay, and we have you deserve love. Okay, so yes, pile 3, angels, they want you to know that, that your partner could be, different from what you expected them to be like. Yes, you both could have, a different lifestyle, or you both could be, be living uh, in a, totally different area as well. And yes, you people could have, like different upbringing as well. You could come from different cultures as well. Yes, could be from different religion as well. So as you reveal your innermost selves, and as you, reveal your true desire and what you expect from your partner, yes, as you reveal yourself, then your bond is going to deepen. Yes, that is what angels are guiding you. And also, you people are going to have a heart to heart conversation as well, and angels, they are asking you that you need to honestly discuss your feelings with them. Yes, that is really going to help strengthen your relationship, pile 3. And also you need to trust your partner. And you know for those of you who are single, and for those of you who are already in a relationship as well, you know if that person is not committing to you, if your partner is not committing to you, then yes, angels, they want you to know that they are asking you to trust them as well, and they are asking you to trust the situation and have faith in your partner. And you need to have faith in angels as well, that everything is going to happen in your life in the divine timing as well, when the timing is right for you, pile 3. So yes, you need to have that trust. And also for some of you, you know angels, they are asking you that there is not enough attraction and chemistry to keep this relationship going. So yes, you need to bring that spark and that chemistry back in your relationship. Yes. And also with this two cards, unrequited love and free yourself, I also feel that some of you could be you know in an unhealthy relationship, and you need to free yourself and move out of that relationship as well. Yes. And angels, they are asking you that it's time to take back control of your life. So yes, if you are in an unhealthy relationship, then yes, you need to you know yes, you need to walk out of that relationship and you need to free yourself. But for a lot of you, I feel that you know there is a very healthy relationship. Yes. And also we have the passion card. So yes, angels, they are asking you that you need to open your heart, you need to allow love to come into your life. And also with that new person, and if you people are already in a relationship, you people are going to experience you know a deeper level of passion in your relationship. Yes. And also you need to know that you people deserve love, pile 3, because you people are lovable yourself. uh, Pile 3 with the 4 of swords, and with this you deserve love, and with the card free yourself, I feel that you people have just built you know a kind of wall, and you people have just build a shell around yourself, and you're just trying to you know not let love come into your life. But you need to free yourself out of that fear, and just you need to know that you people deserve love and you are lovable. Yes. And you need to allow love to come into your life. You need to experience you know that love and that happiness that person is going to bring into your life. Yes. Now let's see what messages do we have for you from the angels and ancestors oracle. So pile 3, we have for you high priestess. Okay. Then we have stargazer. Okay. We have lady. Okay. And we have mountains. Okay. So yes, with the high priestess card, I feel that you people have, yes, you people are very spiritual, and you have a very strong intuitive power. Yes. And I also feel that with the high priestess, that angels, they are asking you that you need to listen to your inner voice as well, pile 3. Yes, because that is going to help you to move ahead in life, pile 3. Yes, and also with the stargazers, angels, they are asking you that you need to set your sights higher. Yes, you need to look at things from you know yes, from the bigger picture. Yes, and also with this card, I feel that some of you uh, people really uh, love to stargaze a lot. Yes, you people just love to watch stars at night. Yes, and then we have the ladies. So yes, enjoy growth and reap rewards. So yes, angels, they want you to know that in the year 2022, pile 3, you people are definitely going to enjoy the growth and fruits of your hard work. Yes, and you people are going to have all that abundance and all that comfort. Yes, in your life, you'll be very happy and you'll be very successful. Yes, and then we have the mountain cards. So with the mountain cards and with the free yourself card, I feel that yes, angels, they are also guiding you that you people really need to take back control of your life and you need to stand your ground. Yes, and you need to know that you people are very strong. Yes, and with this card, I feel that you need to learn to speak your mind. Yes, and do not let other people, yes, to take any decision of your life. Yes, and you need to stand your ground. Could be in your workplace or could be in your love life as well. Yes, you need to speak what you believe in. Yes, that is what I feel for you, pile 3, because you people are very strong and you need to realize your true potential, pile 3. Yes, now let's see what messages do we have for you from the life purpose oracle and how is your career going to be like in the year 2022. So we have for you, pile 3, author. Okay, then we have options. Okay, and we have creative expressions. Yes, and we have support, we have time to decide. Okay, and we have travel. Okay, so yes, angels, they want you to know that you have a book inside of you that wishes to be expressed. Make the time to write it. So yes, some of you could be yes, some of you could start writing you know a book, and some of you could even start something like blogging or yes, something like that. But yes, there I feel that you people have so much of experience and so much of knowledge that you need to share it with others as well. Yes, you need to express those uh, you know experiences. Yes, so angels, they are asking you that you need to start writing as well. And also we have the options. So yes, you people will be having a lot of options in your career. So yes, you need to choose wisely. And then we have creative expressions. So your soul longs to express itself creatively. Yes, some of you could be having a lot of creative ideas, and some of you could be actually working in some creative fields as well. Yes, and also angels, they are asking you that, no matter whatever areas, whatever, options you choose to work in life, know that angels, they are always supporting you in your career, pile 3. Yes, and but it is time for you to decide, and you need to make a decision based on your heart's true desire. What is that your heart really desires, pile 3? You need to work on that area. Yes, you need to work on that career. And also we have travel. So your life purpose involves traveling. So yes, some of you could be working in the field of could be marketing or some travel related works, and also you could be traveling a lot in the year 2022, pile 3. Yes, now let's see what messages do we have for you from the Monology Oracle. What is the guidance for you in the year 2022? So we have for you a win-win outcome is forecast. Wow. Then we have a time to give rather than take. Okay. Then we have balance, spirituality and practicality. And we have you are good enough. Okay. We have step out of your comfort zone. And we have believe in the impossible. Wow. So yes, pile 3, whatever career options that you choose to do, whatever is that you choose to do in the year 2022, just know that a win-win outcome is forecast for you. So yes, there is definitely going to be a lot of success, and you people are enjoying, you will be enjoying success, and you'll be enjoying growth in the year 2022, pile 3. And also with this scale, I feel that yes, there is of course going to be a balance in your life in the year 2022. Yes, I also feel that with this scale, that if you are facing any issues in terms of some legal matters, then yes, that is also going to work out in your favor. And also some of you could be signing new documents, new papers, could be about your new home as well. Yes, but whatever is that you choose to do, yes, a win-win outcome is forecasted for you, pile 3. And yes, we have balance, spirituality and practicality. So yes, you need to balance your emotions, and you need to balance your work life as well. Yes, you need to balance between these energies. Yes, yes, you'll be feeling a lot of emotions, and you need to learn to balance those. But yes, I feel that you will be able to balance, because there is a lot of balance card as well in your reading, pile 3. And also we have full moon in Virgo, we have new moon in Virgo. So yes, you need to start loving yourself, pile 3. That is what angels are guiding you. Do not doubt yourself, and know that you are good enough. And we also have the card that you need to know that you deserve love as well. So yes, know that you are good enough, and start appreciating yourself, start valuing yourself, pile 3. Yes, that is what angels are guiding you. And also it is a time to give rather than take. So yes, you need to start giving that is what you have within you. Yes, what you have with you, like it could be about, like maybe some sharing some knowledge, expressing yourself in your work, or could be in relationship, becoming more affectionate, and expressing your love towards your partner, towards your family, towards your friends as well. Yes, and also, start loving yourself as well. And yes, you need to come out of your comfort zone. Yes, you need to step out of your comfort zone. That is what angels are guiding you. And I also feel that yes, once you step out of your comfort zone, then yes, you people are going to, enjoy that success as well. Yes, I'm also getting the message that you need to change how you used to do things as well. Yes, because if you always do, things the way you used to do before, then you will always, keep repeating the cycles, and you will always be getting the same results as well, pile 3. So yes, you need to change, uh yes, the things, uh you need to change the direction as well. Yes, and yes, you need to believe in the impossible. So yes, that is what angels, they are guiding you, that you know if you believe that something is going to happen for you, if you believe that yes, you deserve something, then yes, that is definitely going to happen for you, pile 3. So yes, uh, start loving yourself, and keep believing in your uh, yes, dreams, and in your goals. And yes, that is definitely going to come true for you, and you people are going to enjoy success as well, and you have this win-win outcome is forecast as well. So yes, that was all for you, pile 3. I hope that the messages resonated with you, and I hope you like my reading. So if you like my reading, then please do like this video and also share this video. And if the messages resonated with you, if you like my reading, then please do let me know in the comment section. I would love to read your comments. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe, because it helps our energies to get connected, and I can give you more messages and guidance that you need to hear from the angels. So yes, that was all for you, pile 3. I hope you all have a good day, and I wish you a great year, full of success and love and happiness. So yes, that was all for you. May angels always bless you all. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next one.